this is day 2 of the dragon build from How to Train Your Dragon. So
that's Wes. So he wasn't around yesterday. Wasn't feeling the greatest. But here we got. What do you got there, Travis?
I forgot what the disc is called.
It's a cutoff disc.
Yeah. So it's a grinder that cuts metal.
And so
cutting off the saw blades, and we're angling them.
So then it looks
and
like.
And we're gonna line them on the bottom and the top of the mouth to make them into the teeth.
Like so.
So then we'll weld those on.
So we're getting a bunch of our parts prepped. Here you go, Travis. You want to fire up and cut that one off? There we go. There's our tongue. And we'll have some more for you real soon. All right, we got some parts made here. Got some helmets on. So here's our staging of this.
We've already welded some of that.
We're using our Lincoln 140C. So let's get a little weld shot. Travis is going to put another little tack weld right in there. Alright, and then we'll get another shot here. Alright, we are ready to put the tongue in. Let me get a close-up. There's the Wes did the top. No, Travis did the top.
This is the bottom.
Travis did the bottom.
I did the bottom.
Yeah, Wes did the bottom and Travis did the top. Alright, let's put that tongue in, man. Take a little video of some tongue action. Eddie Murphy said, Mulan. There we go. Let's get that tongue in there.
You gotta stick it over fireplace.
Alright. Boys are gonna let me weld a little bit. We'll put the eyeballs on. Okay, so got the eyeballs on.
Looks good.
Just gotta, we're thinking we need some nostrils here.
Yeah.
So that's next. Alright, day 2 is in the books.
So what we've done today is got the head all finished.
We added the plume, just a drilling force.
Extra.
We decided against with the nostrils. We decided we just add a little back on here.
Yeah.
And we welded the body together. So this is now attached. It's one piece, and the head will go on the end like that.
Tomorrow we'll put the wings and the tail on.
And we'll work on the tail. Decide what we're gonna do for the wings, and then see about feet.
Alrighty.
That's basically what we have planned.
Alright, we'll catch you later.